Good afternoon, YouTube. Look what I got in today. I got the RAZER RAIJU V3 Pro. Luckily, I waited for this. I was going to get the Wolverine like a long time ago. To collect on my Elite controller and then give out like a great review at the end of the year, something like that. Probably like next year. And it didn't really have a lot of great reviews, so I kind of waited. And I didn't even know they were releasing this until seeing videos like a couple weeks ago. And so, oh, perfect. I'm gonna definitely try this out. A lot of great reviews I watched on YouTube, so I'm about to do an unboxing. Check it out. So we got a tape up here. Cut that off real quick. Sweet. Pull this sucker out. Shit's pretty tight, I won't lie. Oh, that's why, because there's tape on the side right here. Sweet. Pull this sucker out. Ooh, there we go. Nice box for the pros, for less pros. For gamers by gamers, nice box. Some more tape up here. Yeah, I'll do that, okay. Oh, wow, look at that. And it comes with a case. Man, let's check the accessory box first. Nice cable. I wish it was braided, but we deal with that. Nice cable, can't complain. These are the stick paddles. So you got the short paddles and the longer paddles. I kind of like the longer paddles. So let's see. Ready for the final reveal. Oh, nope. Got the manual. Nice booklet. Okay. Final review. Wow. Oh my God, that thing's such a beauty. So we have the screw for the paddles down here, USB dongle. You can switch it between, I believe, PC and the PS5, if I'm not mistaken. Very nice. PC. Yeah, very nice. Put it back here so I don't lose it. Oh man, this controller feels great. Got the paddles on here. You have the triggers up here for the mouse click triggers for your triggers. And then you have either you want a wired or wireless, or you got a PS5 or PC. There's the dongle right here for the charger. Tear this plastic off. Oh, the controller feels great. Oh yeah, like that. Clicky. Okay, turn the mouse triggers on. Oh yeah. Yeah, like that. I'm definitely giving it a shot. I'll let you guys know. Like, comment, subscribe for more future unboxing. Thank you.